That is so important, especially when you take actions. If you take action, but those actions are out of fear, of desperation, or negativity, generally speaking, well, it does not really work in your favor. Now, don't get me wrong, sometimes you take action and it makes you feel better. That's pretty cool, but you have to have that self-awareness. But if those actions are based in fear, more often than not, it's better not to take that action and revert back to your mental diet and your mental attitude. You have to believe in everything you do. You might not see the result from a particular action right now, but you have to always back this attention with this action with the right intention. That is key. Everything you do has to have positive thoughts behind. Now, this is not what I usually do, but it is something that you can try if it's in your temperament and character. Instead of necessarily reverting all your negative thoughts, which I think you should do as a foundation, you can interpret whatever is happening in the 3D world as working for you. You can change the narrative of everything that is happening right now. If this person needs you, if this job, for example, is not applicable for you right now, even though you want it, it does not matter. You can change the narrative and say that, oh, I will get a better job. Or this person is just sad right now, is just angry at me right now, but it will get better. So you can interpret everything to your advantage. This is not what I do, but I think it's still something very valuable that some of you can benefit from. If you have the same negative thoughts that are nagging you, that are coming back to haunt you over and over again, it means that you have a belief. You have a limiting belief that you need to let go of. Now you can reverse each and every negative thought. That's the way I do it. That's my preferred way of doing things. However, you can also do as Joseph Murphy said, you can just cancel the belief when it comes up. Did I say Joseph Murphy? I meant Wayne Dyer, sorry. So when this negative pattern comes, you can just say, I cancel this belief. And maybe this might work faster for you. Or I release this need for this belief. You can do it over and over again and it will work. And you can replace it with a more empowering belief. So the way to go is up to you. The vocabulary you use is also up to you. Whatever feels good, and it's good for you. This is so important and not a lot of people talk about this. You cannot have envy when it comes to manifesting the thing you want. If you envy someone for having something that you want, that's not a good thing. But also, if you wish to have something and not wish it for other people, that's also wrong because you are also living in lack. So instead of doing this, when you see other people having what you have, rejoice and be happy they have the same thing that you have, at least right now in your imagination. And you can also wish well-being and wish the exact same desire, contentment, joy, material goods, etc., material relations for others as well. You can wish all the good in the world for everybody, and it will work in your advantage because you are living in what? Abundance. Heaven and hell are of our own making. If right now you're distraught and you are negative and your attitude is unwholesome, that you see the bad in everything and everybody, then you have chosen to live in hell right here, right now. However, if you live in gratitude, contentment, and if you have more often than not positive attitudes towards yourself, towards others, towards life, etc., and you see the good in everything, you find the good in everything, then you, my friend, are choosing to live right here, right now in heaven.